So big thanks to the new subscribers, and in today's video we're just going to start by closing the sides of the trailer in and maybe have a look at a couple of mud guards. So let's do it. Before I put the ply on, I'm going to drill the corners just so I can tuck my wires through. It'll be a good opportunity to do it now than struggle later. So also on this corner I need to add a timber to be able to carry the board. Once I board that side, that timber will disappear, so I'll put this timber in. So 2 more extra supports for when we put the ladder on the outside. This is just to like hold the washers and the bolts. So now these are fixed, we can measure up for the last panel to go in either side. So now I've got the plywood on, I'm going to give it a coat of resin just to seal it in, just to protect it from the elements. Now I've got the trailer all plied, I'm going to have a look now at trying to form some mud guards. So looking at this now, I've marked out roughly all the measurements, all the points, the fold lines, etc. So I've worked out I'm only going to be able to fold a couple of lines. So I'm going to do this one, them two, and the end one, and then the others just beat it manually with an hammer. now we've bent that shape, so I'm going to try now to just to like sort of force that in, bend it, and then at least the creases will be in. So these last folds here, I'm just going to have to do clamp a straight edge on front and back, or top and bottom, and just beat them over. That one, and that one. Let's go see if she fits. I've got a gut feeling it's going to be tight. As I thought, it don't fit, so I'm just going to knock a joist out of the way and try and tuck it in front end. Right, that seems to fit okay. So we'll repeat the process, but opposite for the other side. I'm pleased how they've gone in. They seem to fit alright, everything lines up. They'll work, they'll do the purpose. So, but we can't fit these until we've done the outer skin, and then once that's on, we'll just manipulate these in position and fix them all. So